Hi campers, it's Stephen here from Tentworld's Ferntree Gully store in Melbourne. Here today I'm going to give you the rundown on OzTrail's Removable Awning Kit 3.0, another part of OzTrail's big range of accessories for OzTrail gazebos. So we'll open the box, have a look what's in it and show you how to put it up and go from there. So it does come in its own bag to keep all the bits and pieces together. Inside the bag you've got your awning material itself. You've got another two brackets, which I'll explain more info about shortly, and the poles to the awning itself, which is the key to the kingdom. So you'll have two here that have the brackets already on there with an adjustable wheel, and then the other three is one telescopic pole which will form the ridge across. Okay, so the awning is made of a 300 denier silver coated Tex 2000 sun rated fabric. So it's been heat sealed on the sides for extra waterproofing. It is available in a blue or a white color, and the whole unit weighs roughly 3 kilos. All right, so the first step in putting it up is going to be to take out the little black adjusting wheel on each pole. You can pivot the bracket around, and then we'll want it so that the wheel is on the inside. Thread that through. And we can adjust the height later, so it doesn't have to be perfect straight away. And just twist that till it's nice and sturdy. Do the same on the other side. All right, so that's the first step complete. We'll move on to attaching the awning material to the main ridge pole. So we'll open this out, and you are going to need to find the little tube there that it's going to run through. So grab your pole and start feeding it through. Halfway, once you got to the middle mesh. Cool. All right, and from there, you take it around into the middle. All right, so while you're going across to the other side, try and keep part of this tight whilst locked in on the other end. And then you've got it in. That will slide up and we're ready to start fixing it properly. So start by putting one of these sides right over there, and on that side, get it as close to the edge of the material as you can. And then we've got a clip on this end, which if you want to follow me in here, we'll then just clip in to this gazebo metal loop. And get the hook here, which has variation between that and there for water shedding. Cool. And as well as the Velcro tabs to lock it in, giving you a nice underlap of the material, which gives you that water shedding. And if you really want, you can adjust it up high, and that will tilt the angle for a bit more of a heavier downpour, improved water shedding. All right, so once we've got the awning in place, we can look at adjusting to your desired height. So whether it be for more water shedding purposes, or if you just need it at a lower angle, but higher up if you're a bit taller, so as not to knock your head on the way in or out. And that is then set up. You've got more room here for coverage from any rain that's going to come down. It's also going to help, depending on the angle of the sun, to increase the amount of shade cover that you have underneath. Now these two brackets that also came with it are more based towards the gazebos that operate on a 45-degree angled leg setup. So they do have that extra kind of incline to it, which kind of adjusts the bar. They are suitable for OzTrail's Fiesta Compact and Fiesta Deluxe range. So this concludes my video on the OzTrail Removable Awning 3.0. For more info, hop onto our website, follow our YouTube channel for more product videos, or come visit us in store. Thanks for watching and happy camping.